Hi, we're Kickresume. We create resumes for a living, and in this video we're going to show you how to write a killer profile section for your resume. To do that, let's take a look at this data analyst resume example belonging to Dennis Smith, who does everything right, including the resume profile. We'll break down his profile sentence by sentence to show you exactly what should go on yours, so you can easily write one yourself. First up, start with your job title and years of experience. Then finish the opening sentence with your core skills in the specific areas you specialize in. Dennis mentions predictive modeling, data visualization, and statistical analysis right off the bat. Ideally, try to match these with the key responsibilities listed in the job posting. Next, list your key hard skills. These are the technical tools and programs that you use. For example, Python, SQL, and Tableau. Tableau? Again, focus on the ones mentioned in the job ad to show you've got exactly what they need. Now comes the most important part, your greatest achievements. Use specific numbers and results whenever possible. This is way more telling than generic statements about being detail-oriented or hardworking. But you can also include any awards or certifications that are related to the job. Finally, wrap it up by showing what you can do for them. Dennis expresses enthusiasm and makes it clear how he's going to add value to their company. And look at that, that's pretty much it. If you're still not sure where to start, Kickresume has an AI writer tool built specifically for resume writing. It'll write the first draft of your profile for you, and then you can just add your specific details. If you have any questions or you need any help with writing your resume, feel free to ask us in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you want a beautiful resume without all the hassle, head over to kickresume.com.